So this is a sample video of how good this autofocus is on this new STM lens. I'm having my Rode mic on, so you can probably hear the lens if it's making some sound, but let me just zoom out to make it focus again. Oh, it doesn't focus again. So what about taking the camera bag up here, and zooming in? That's just awesome. Well, I can focus pretty close as well. Let's take a look at this. Oh, that's so good. Love this lens already. And that's 135mm in, all the way in. Holy crap! Very snappy to focus, very snappy. I'm just surprised at how good this works. You can't even hear the lens, it's just soundless. I thought you will perhaps hear the motor go, but this is a stepping lens, so stepping motor, so what the fuck? Image stabilizer is awesome on this, that's for sure. That's one of the things you can experience with a DSLR camera that focuses like that, but it's very quick to be a DSLR camera to focus straight back. Well, I must say this does a very good job and is definitely worth the money. So if you actually have money for this lens, go pick it up immediately. If you have the 650D, for example, like I have, without continuous autofocus, you should pick this lens up. Or if you want to take your lens with you somewhere else and just film without no one even hearing your focus, well, this is a very good choice. But this is definitely worth for video. That's no question there.